Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Jet the Hawk from Sonic the Hedgehog. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Jet the Hawk, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to go down, and then we're going to bring it back to here in like a check mark. Then we'll do the same thing here, just kind of come down, and then bring it back. Next, I'm going to go down and then curve it up. And we'll do that same thing here. Just go down and then curve up for the eye. I'll make a small oval and I'll color in most of it, leaving a tiny bit white. And then same thing, just that really skinny oval shape. And just do that same thing, leave a tiny bit white. I'll make the lines come out a little bit farther above the eye. Then I'm going to make a line that curves down just a bit. And then I'm going to curve a line that's just going to come right to here. Starting in here, we're going to go down. We'll make it come to kind of like a rounded point, and then we'll bring it up here into a smile. Then we can connect this, and then we can curve this around to here. Then we'll make two little dots for the nose. Right here, let's bring this line up and down for the eyebrow, and then we'll do that same thing here, up and down. We'll curve this up. And we'll just connect this to here. Now up here, let's go ahead and draw an oval for his goggles. And then we'll make another oval over here. We'll go down and in, down and in. Same thing, down, kind of curve around and up. Then we can put that other oval shape right inside of here. Next, we're going to make 1, 2, and 3 lines on here to connect them. And then right here, we're just going to draw a line. It's going to go down. It's going to come out to a point and in. And then we're just going to connect this line to here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to bring this line up and down. We'll make one that's going to kind of curve out and down. One that's going to curve out here and down. And one long one here that comes up. Now, starting here for the chest, we're going to make a line that's going to go out and in, and then we're going to go down and up. We'll make a big one that goes down and up here, down and up, out and then out and in. Next, we're going to curve this line down. Leave a little space and then go to here. For the leg, we'll just go down, over, and then up. And then we'll bring this line up to here. We'll make a small curve there. And then right here, we'll go out and in for the top of the shoe. And we'll just go out, curve around, and connect. Then for the shoe, we're just going to go down, over, and up. Then we're just going to curve this around and then up to here. Then we just want to bring this in. Then we'll just kind of curl it around here. For this leg, we're just going to make a line that's going to go down, over, and up. Curve here. Out and in, and then out and in. Curl this line around. We're going to go down and then bring it down for the front. We'll bring this up, down, and then up to here. Then we'll just curve this around. Now for the detail on here, we'll just make a line up. Then we're just going to go in and then up like this. Same thing here, just a little line up. Then we're going to go in and then up. I'm going to bring this line down and over. And we're going to come down and bring this to here. And we'll bring this line down. We'll curve here for the glove. And we'll make another one that curves up and then one that curves down. And then we'll just connect it. For the thumb, we'll just go up, bring it down and in. Then for the hand, we're just going to start off with the pinky right here. Then we'll make another finger here. One right here. And then we'll make the last one right here, and we're just going to come right to the bottom of the thumb. Put a line here and a line there. Now, for this arm, we're just going to come out and then bring it in. Same thing, out and bring it in. Curve here, and then a curve here. Then we can just connect. Then for this hand, bring it in here. Little bump, and then a little bump here. We'll make a curve and then connect to here. I'm going to make a line that goes down and up here. And then we're going to make a couple feathers here. We're going to make a point here and then a point that goes out and then connects. I'm going to go out here and in, and then out here and then in. Then we'll jump up to here. And there you go. There's your drawing of Jet the Hawk from Sonic the Hedgehog. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.